Oh yeah, what's going on? It's your boy Richard here with some more Nadex trades. Okay, so I basically already did two trades this week, but today's Wednesday and I saw this trade. I did call this trade out earlier to my group, and so I hope they got in this trade. I called a trade. I had a higher entry price, and then because it just never got close to the entry price, I went ahead and reevaluated the trade because I was on the go. I didn't call the new trade, which got in at a lower entry price, and then so I doubt my team is in this trade right now. So right now, winning the trade by over 20 pips. So which is cool. Very cool. I'm going only gonna make because I already did my other trades. I only did one contract, so I'm only making $24. Oh my gosh, you reached so much money to make $24. I don't care because it's still I'm going to win the trade by crap load of shit pips. Right now I got 1 hour left for this trade. I'm up $19, so I'm almost in max profit. So um, everything's going great. If you look at the chart, these are 4 hour charts. Let's say that this 4 hour period, which that's when I started looking at it, I was like, well, you know what? Um, it's gonna finish down. It's not gonna finish up. So basically, if I look, well, the high part, well, opened at was at 26.50 or probably 51. So and you look at my trade, well, I got in that it got to stay below 26.66, which is way the hell up here, like up here. So it has to go all the way up here. And that was the other thing. It was like I was going off the top of this wick and these candlesticks right here. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in at that price. Originally, I wanted everyone to jump in at 72. So it's like at the very top of the wick, like almost like right here, bam. For this wick, it was the top of this wick. That's the wick I was going off of before when I originally was looking at the trade. These three candlesticks were not in play yet, so it was like maybe what time was it? This is like 9:30 at night. Yeah, so it was actually on this candlestick. So I was going off of this candlestick for the entry price because I knew if you look at it 4 hour charts, it was kind of an uptrend. Even though it's coming down, making higher highs, higher lows. So yeah, but yeah, as you can see, I'm up $20 on the trade, doing pretty good. Third trade this week, so doing pretty good. But yeah, that's all a person really needs to do. Like even if a person made two trades a week, made $24 a trade. Yeah, that make less than $50 a week. This would be about $46 a week a person will make if they was trading just two trades a week on one contract. $46 a week. Well, you're like, well, that's shit. That's not a lot of money. Well, let's see. $46 a week times that by four. So a person end up making $184 a month. What do you have that costs $184 or less a month? What kind of bill or whatever what you want to do. Say that for about 3 months. So you're not making extra $552 over 3 months. So if you start an account with 250, you have an account at $802. So basically, you're probably making uh now you're probably making like $46 per trade, times that by two, $92 a week, times that by four, $368 a week or a month, times that by 3 months. That's 1104 plus the original 804. So 6 months you got 1908. So now you probably be making like 48, no 46. So 46 times 2, you're probably making $92 a trade now. Times that by 2, times that by 4. So in 6 months, you're probably making about $336 a month. Just doing 2 trades a week, low volume trading. It's high risk because how much money you're risking on the trade itself, but it's low risk because if you get the right price, these entry points that I'm using, then it's basically almost surefire wins. So it still could something to happen in it's dramatic in the market, and you could lose a trade, of course, but still, um, if you could make $736 to all the way up to eventually get to say making $2,500 a month, that's 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 the way to go. For most people, $2,500 extra a month to pay just about all their bills. And if you live in Hawaii, that could pay your rent. Just the rent by itself, though. Hawaii is expensive. But but yeah. So I was telling a guy the other day, and he was like, "Well, I want a freaking Audi. Like what kind of Audi is that? I want an A5, or the S5 or whatever, the Audi S5." And I was like, "Oh, that's a pretty nice car, man. I don't know how much it costs." So if he was looking at a 2016, so 2016 Audi S5. So let's check this out. So check it out. Audi S5, 2016. Let's see. You could get one. Let's see. There's one for it's a blue, and we're gonna look at this one. $41,000. So there you go. So what kind of car payments think a person will make on this car? Well, they're probably making around about $700 a month car payments on a car like this. For $41,000, probably like around about $700 a month. $700 a month, maybe $300 a month in for car insurance, or $350 plus $750 for a car note. So $1,100 a month to get that car. Well, if you're making $2,500 a month and you're trading, guess what? You can get the car you want. Put a good down payment down on the car. Put $5,000 down and do your payments. Make your payments when you're trading. So you can have a crappy job, but as long as you're doing good trades, you can have the car you want. Or you can go buy a house, or go travel, or do whatever you want to do. So there's a lot of possibilities for you when you just study. That's all it is. You study yourself. The better you learn and gain this knowledge and practice, the more money you make. If you don't study, if you don't try to gain the knowledge, guess what? You don't make money. It's that simple. So anyway, that's all I want to talk about. Show my trade, what's going on, seeing the possibilities of what Nadex can offer you. Uh, there's other things I do, like part of a network marketing company that deals in the financial market. So uh, do stuff with that. So anyway, that's all I want to show everybody. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching the video, and let's all keep making money. All right, peace.